Next, once the battery has been removed, to replace the LED module, locate the white rectangular box. Make sure to scan the QR code to make sure it's compatible with the scooter that you're working with. There should be 3 connectors. One is the input, and this power is being supplied from this HEV unit. So using the button on the handlebar, it regulates whether the power comes through to the LED module or not. So by toggling the switch that's on the left side of the handlebar for lights and different things, it controls this power supply rail. So go ahead and remove the input of the LED module, and then remove the 2 3-wire connectors, and those wires are coming from the left side of the light bar and the right side of the light bar. So this LED module regulates power delivery for both sides of the light bar. So that's how to remove the LED module. Once you grab the replacement LED module, reverse the process as we've done for disconnecting the older module. So go ahead and plug in the power supply input that's coming from the HEV unit, and then the light bar connection. It doesn't matter which connector goes to which, because both light bars will turn on and off at the same time, and those are 2 identical connections. So it's also important to make sure before plugging in that you inspect all the pins are pushed in all the way. These pins have self-locking mechanism where it only goes in one way but not backing out. So you want to make sure that all of those pins are evenly pushed out towards the mating side. And same thing for here. So if you look closely on each of these connectors, you can see that these pins have these locking mechanism. You want to be able to see that all of the crimped pins are pushed in all the way out towards the end of the connector. So yeah, I'll go ahead and plug this in, and make sure the HEV and the light module is arranged in a way that it's not going to interfere with the battery placement, because battery will consume most of this space. So it's important to make sure that all of these modules are tucked in towards the front side as far as possible. So that's how to install the light module, and we'll proceed to putting the battery back into